Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail, and I got a taste for some Asian food, so we gonna head over to the Chinese takeout restaurant, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make black pepper chicken, Chinese style. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, let's do a quick rundown of what we have for today's recipe. Back here, we have our chicken breast. Now, guys, I cut these into bite-sized pieces like this. We have our onions, and I cut them into like petals, thin sliced petals like that. Also, our green peppers, cut them in like 1-inch diced bite-sized pieces. We have some dark soy sauce here, regular soy sauce, minced ginger, olive oil, sesame oil, rice vinegar, some chicken broth. We have a red chili here, cornstarch, black pepper, brown sugar, some freshly chopped garlic, and we have salt here. So this is all you're gonna need. Let's get to it. All right, to get started, we're gonna make our sauce. Toasted sesame oil here, added to this empty dish. Our chicken broth, or if you don't have chicken broth, you can use water, brown sugar, soy sauce, that's the regular soy sauce, dark soy sauce, rice vinegar, black pepper, and our cornstarch. And all we're gonna do is get this mixed up till it's all combined. Get those lumps out of the cornstarch till it's all dissolved. Sort of just like that, guys. All right, let's move on. Now you wanna take your chicken, you wanna add a tablespoon and a half of your sauce to your chicken, along with some salt and some more cornstarch. We're gonna get that mixed in like this. Make sure you get all that sauce over that chicken. All right, guys, so now we're gonna set this aside and we're gonna continue. All right, so now we're at our cooktop. We're gonna let our pan heat up over a medium heat. Once that pan heats, we're gonna add about a tablespoon of olive oil. I'm gonna spread that out all over the pan. Now we're gonna start adding our chicken. And we're gonna cook these until they're brown on each side. All right, guys, so it looks like we're there. Looks like our chicken is, as you can see, is browned on all sides. We're not trying to get it cooked all the way through just yet, but we do want it to be, have that brown crisp on the bottom. I think we have achieved that right here. And all we're gonna do now is we're gonna remove this from our pan, and then we're gonna set it aside. All right, so we're gonna unpause our heat, add our last tablespoon of olive oil. We're gonna add our garlic, our ginger, and we're gonna cook this for about 30 seconds, moving it around here in the pan. After that 30 seconds is up, you wanna add your green peppers and your onions, add your chilies, and we're gonna get these babies cooked and stir fried in here until they're soft and crispy. All right, we're gonna add a little salt right here, along with a little black pepper. And you wanna continue to get this mixed around in here. Like I say, you wanna cook these until they're crisp and soft. So you don't want them like sauteed, like you'll be sauteing them in some butter and some garlic and stuff like that. But just where they're nice, crispy, but soft texture. And we're getting there right now. All right, guys, so it looks like we're there. We're gonna turn our heat down to the lowest setting. We're gonna whisk in our remaining of our sauce. We'll get that in here like that, get it mixed in real quick. And we're gonna bring our chicken back here, add it, get that tossed in here. All right, so it looks like we're good. We're gonna turn our heat off. We're gonna add the remainder of our black pepper. Get that a final mix. Guys, it looks like we're good. So let's head over to our cutting board, take a look, then we can head into our final presentation. And guys, there you have it. Black pepper chicken. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control to do a taste test. All right, this quality control time. Guys, take a look at that black pepper chicken. Bringing it to the front of the congregation. Oh man. Let's try to get everything on there. Onions and chicken and peppers. All right. Oh man. Guys, it's definitely one for you to check out, especially you like going to them Chinese takeouts or the Chinese restaurant. Black pepper chicken is one of my favorite dishes on the menus. I got a few of them on there, but black pepper chicken is one of them. Baby delicious. So, to them, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything. Remember, not a chef, just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace.